So anybody who has been following the shed project, okay, there's the shed. Will know that I've been doing a big dig. Big dig was to get the shed separated from Mother Earth so that I could fix the shed. And so, yeah. The big part of the dig is done. As we come around the corner back here, yes, that really is right, right here. Okay, all the way to the ground, about 3 feet there, and then all the way around along the side is done. So the yeah, you see, you can kind of see through the shed, which is why I'm doing this, so that I can get new heads up on it and stuff.